Hi, I'm Rodrigo Balderas, project specialist in the chassis department.
In June 2021, Schaeffler was selected as a supplier of a new mechatronic product, the Rear Wheel Steering System, RWS, for a battery electric pickup truck. This mechatronic product and customer program are very important for the Americas region and particularly for our Irapuato plant. We are directly contributing to the transition to electric vehicles, manufacturing critical systems for a prominent industry player. For making this possible, we had to perform the industrialization of 53 components using the global expertise within Schaeffler. And thanks to the commitment, engagement, and dedication from the whole team involved in this project, the RWS is a PACE Award finalist.
I'm Rodrigo Balderas and I help generate motion at Schaeffler.